Have you ever pondered the possibility of our universe colliding with another one? It's a thought that may have crossed your mind, especially if you've been intrigued by the multiverse theory, a concept that suggests the existence of multiple universes alongside our own. These universes, each with their own laws of physics, dimensions, and cosmic events, exist simultaneously in an infinite cosmic landscape. Now imagine these universes floating in the vast expanse of space, like giant celestial bodies. Just as asteroids and planets can collide, so too could these universes, resulting in what we might call a cosmic collision. An event of unimaginable scale and energy, a cosmic collision could reshape the very fabric of our universe. The idea might seem far-fetched, but let's delve deeper into this fascinating concept. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a journey into the intriguing world of cosmic collisions and their potential impact on our universe. To comprehend the possibility of a cosmic collision, we first need to understand the multiverse theory. Now, the multiverse theory is a concept that's as fascinating as it is mind-boggling. It proposes that our universe, the vast expanse of space and time that we can observe, is just one of an unimaginably large number of universes. Picture our universe as a single bubble floating in an infinite ocean of foam, each bubble representing a separate universe with its own unique laws of physics. Scientists have classified these universes into different types. First, there are quilted multiverses. These are created by the infinite expanse of space-time and are characterized by universes that repeat themselves due to the finite possible arrangements of matter. So, somewhere out there could be another you, living out an entirely different life. Next, we have the inflationary multiverse. Here, the concept of eternal inflation creates multiple disconnected universes, each with its own physical laws. Imagine a loaf of bread where each slice represents a different universe. Then there's the quantum multiverse. This is based on the principles of quantum mechanics, where every possible outcome of a decision creates a new universe. So in one universe you might be a rock star, in another, an astronaut, and in yet another, a Nobel laureate. Lastly, we have the mathematical multiverse. This is a little more abstract, suggesting that mathematical structures can define all possible universes. In simple terms, if you can describe it mathematically, it can exist as its own universe. These concepts raise the fascinating prospect of parallel universes and alternate realities. But remember, this is all theoretical. The multiverse theory is a way for scientists to reconcile the laws of physics with the complexities of reality. It's a bold idea that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. With the knowledge of multiverse theory, we can now explore the possibility of universes colliding. How would a collision between two universes occur, and what would be its appearance? Let's delve into the theories and hypotheses presented by scientists about this extraordinary event. The universe as we know it is vast and ever-expanding. But what if there's another universe, just like ours, expanding at the same rate in the same space? The concept is as mind-boggling as it is fascinating. One theory suggests that if two universes were to collide, it would occur in a higher dimension that we can't perceive in our three-dimensional reality. This is based on the idea of the multiverse, where an infinite number of universes exist parallel to each other, separated by extra dimensions. So, how would we know if a cosmic collision is imminent? Scientists propose that we might observe anomalies in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. These could be interpreted as bruises or scars, indicating that our universe has bumped into another in the higher dimensional space. The consequences of such a collision are purely speculative and depend on the nature of the other universe. If it mirrors ours in terms of physical laws and constants, the effects could be relatively benign. However, if the other universe has different laws of physics, the collision could cause dramatic changes or even result in the destruction of both universes. In any case, the energy released during such a collision would be immense, potentially leading to the creation of new galaxies, stars, and even life forms. Alternatively, it could lead to the annihilation of everything we know and hold dear. It's essential to remember that these are theories and hypotheses, and while they may seem outlandish, they're based on our current understanding of the cosmos. As we continue to explore and understand the universe, these theories might change or evolve, bringing us closer to the truth. A cosmic collision, while intriguing, would certainly be an event of astronomical proportions. What would happen if our universe indeed collided with another one? In such an event, the very fabric of our reality could be drastically altered. With the merging of two universes, the creation of new matter and energy might be possible, potentially leading to the formation of entirely new celestial bodies. Unfathomable amounts of energy would be released, which could lead to the destruction of existing stars, galaxies, and maybe even entire dimensions. In this collision, the laws of physics as we know them could be rewritten. Time and space might warp, bend, or even fracture, creating anomalies that defy our current understanding. The flow of time could accelerate, decelerate, or even reverse, while space might stretch or compress in ways we can't comprehend. This cataclysmic event, however, isn't just about destruction. The collision of universes could also be a cosmic forge, birthing new universes from the remnants of the old. While a cosmic collision might seem like a catastrophic event, it could also lead to the birth of new universes. The possibility of our universe colliding with another one is a mind-boggling concept. Throughout this exploration, we've delved into the grand idea of the Great Collision, demystified the complex notion of the multiverse, and taken a speculative journey into the potential scenarios and consequences of a cosmic collision. Every theory we've discussed, every scenario we've imagined underscores the importance of continued exploration and understanding of our universe and the multiverse. It's through this relentless pursuit of knowledge that we might one day unravel the mysteries that still elude us. Remember, these concepts might seem overwhelming, even intimidating, but they're also a testament to the limitless curiosity of the human spirit, a testament to our insatiable desire to understand the world, the universe, and possibly the multiverses around us. While the thought of a cosmic collision might be intimidating, it is also a reminder of the vast, complex, and ever-expanding nature of our universe and the multiverses that may exist beyond.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.